So I'm gonna put some makeup on because I feel like a mess and makeup makes me feel better sometimes. Okay, I'm in love with this Pixie skin tint. It works so well for my skin. It gives this very natural finish. It has like it gives no cakiness, but if you have dark spots, pigmentation, it won't be able to cover it up. And I had major skin reaction weeks back, and still I have few bumps here and there, and I have dark spots still recovering. But I don't like to cover those things up. I really don't like foundation, concealer. I like something sheer and that gives nice glow to my skin, and I'm okay with that. And I received few recommendations of skin tints from Blue Heaven, I think, then Mars. I'm gonna try those things very soon because this Pixie one is quite expensive, but again I really love it. But yeah, I'm hoping for a dupe, like cheaper dupe of this one. Okay, next I'm gonna show you one thing I don't like that much. This is some BB cushion from Peripera. God, it makes my skin look like Annabelle. I have to use very little. If I use a bit too much, it's gonna make my skin look cakey and like very white. I don't like it at all. Since I bought it, I'm trying to finish it by using very little. I mean, when I use it very little, it gives a little bit glow to my skin. That's all. So yeah, but yeah, I'm not gonna buy this cushion again. Not for me. Absolutely not for me. And the shade I picked, I thought it's gonna be of my skin tone, but it's too light. And then I'm gonna follow up with this setting powder kind of a thing. I don't like its packaging. I always spill some powder, no matter what. So yeah, but I like this one. The quality is great. This is from Innisfree. They're something a tone up or some powder. I'm gonna leave their name on the screen. So I want something in between matte and dewy look. So, and these days my T-zone is feeling oily. So now I think I have dry combination skin. So yeah, I'm trying not to look like, I want to look dewy, but I don't want to look like a grease ball. That's why I'm using that. And now I was like trying to find my eyebrow gel. I couldn't find it, so I'm using the Benefit eyebrow gel, and I'm using the spoolie of that elf eyebrow gel, because the Benefit one I bought very small, like mini version of it. The spoolie is not big enough, and I finished this elf eyebrow gel. So yeah, that their spoolie works fine for me. And yeah, I like very natural brows, nothing too crazy. I don't like to use eyebrow pencil that much. Gel works fine for me. And this one I bought recently. I'm trying this one for the first time. This is L'Oreal eyeliner, and they have this easy cat eyeliner maker kind of a thing. Let's see how it works out. I mean, it works to some extent, but it's not flawless. You have to work your way, and especially if you have hooded eyes. So yeah, but I'm kind of new, but when it comes to my eye makeup, so I'm trying to find something that makes things easier for me. And this would do, but this is nothing like miraculous, to be very honest. Alright, my eyes actually look fine to me. Let me know if it turned out to be okay. I hope it did. So I'm trying to pick one mascara for me. I'm gonna pick this one from the Balm. Mascara is such a game changer, and I don't like false lashes. So I'm a mascara person. When I use mascara for my brows, it gives tamed volume to my brows. And I'm using this nude eyeliner for my waterline. It makes eyes look bigger, does it? I don't know. So now I'm using a brown eye pencil. I don't want it to look harsh. I'm just using it like, with very light hand. I think it gives kind of mysterious look, and it makes my eyes look deeper. Okay, there is this trend now. People are using their eyebrow pencil as lip liner. It looked promising, but I'm trying this out for the first time. Let's see it works or not. This is from Benefit, and yeah, actually it makes my lips look kind of fuller. I was like, I was not like that convinced if this deep brown would look fine for my lips, but it does. And they're using some blush for their lips and gloss. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna stick to my lipstick. So this is from Kido. Their I forgot the name, some nutmeg, spice nutmeg something lipstick. And I'm using this with Innisfree lip tint in the shade I'm very bad at remembering shade, pink, to give my lips some like more brown and pink look. And opening my eye here was a bad idea, because you can see why. And I'm putting more mascara. I think I missed the lower lash. Now I'm gonna put on some blush. I don't go lazy with blush. I'm very scared of blush because I think it can make you look gorgeous, also it can make you look like a clown. You have to strike a balance. And what shows in the camera, camera doesn't catch the blush properly. Now you see is very little, but in real it's a lot. And I think what works for the camera, the makeup especially, blush and concealer and foundation, that doesn't work in real life. So now, I found this eyebrow gel. I was looking for it. Ayush recommended it to me. It's Essence eyebrow gel. It's very cheap. It's very good. I know I'm going overboard with gels and all, but these things are quite natural, so my eyebrows can take it. And now I'm using a highlighter. This is from Etude House. This is a very subtle highlighter. I like using my hands because I find it is easier to blend that way, and I don't want blinding highlighter. I want very, very subtle glow. That's all. And yeah, I'm done with the makeup, and I feel better already. But you have to see how my sink looks. I mean, god, the clutter. I have to clean it up now. But the thing is, the makeup therapy, it works for me. I feel better. I really feel better. I was feeling a little down for some reason, but I feel better now. I feel like I'm ready for the day. So I am thinking of putting on black lipstick. Not a good idea, right? Maybe for some time. I never put on black lipstick. I bought it, I kept it somewhere, I forgot. But yeah, I'm gonna use black lipstick sometimes. Okay, now I'm babbling, so I'm gonna see you very soon. Bye.